Hello, I'm Dr. Crystal. Have your emotions been all over the place lately? Did you know that writing down what's going on in your life right now can change your mood and even improve your health? Journaling every day is a great habit to get into. I'm sure you're asking what's so great about journaling. Well, research shows that there are actually a ton of benefits for both our physical and mental health, so I will share 6 benefits with you. 1, it offers you an opportunity to recover from the daily stressors and leave the unimportant stuff behind. 2, it helps you identify patterns in your thinking and what's behind your feelings and behavior and any things that don't line up in your life. 3, it gives you a chance to get all your emotions out on paper, reducing your stress and releasing tension. 4, it reminds you of all that you have to be grateful for. 5, it helps you discover your voice. And 6, it helps you keep a written record of all your experiences, which is great for now as well as into the future. If you're ready to give journaling a try and deal with your worries and stress in a healthier way, pre-order your copy today of one of my newly created journals and get on the path to a healthier you. As always, remember, fear is contagious, but so is joy.